Sir, what is even
Hello, good morning. Today we are going to start our constructor. Okay. So we have a concept of constructor in C++. Why we are using constructor in C++? So today we will discuss about in details. Okay. Why we are using constructor? Why not other things? So constructor is what? Constructor is a first. Constructor is what? Constructor is a what? Is a special member function. Is a special member functions. Why it is called a special member functions? Because it has no return type. Special member functions which has no return type, which has no return type. Then what is the purpose of constructors? So when we create the purpose of the constructor is what? The purpose of the constructor is to initialize the value of data member. The purpose of constructor is what? The purpose of constructor is what? To initialize the value of data members. Okay. So it will be more clear when we go through the examples. Okay, so there are three different types of the constructors. Okay, so today we will discuss about what default constructors, then later on we will be discuss about another constructor is called parameterized constructors, and then we have a copy constructors. So today we are going to discuss about the default constructor. Why it is called a default constructor? Okay, we will focus on this one. Why it is called a default constructor? So default constructor means what? So how to know, sir, it is constructor? Whatever the class name is there, the same name of that member functions also. That's why it is known as what? A special member function. Okay, the syntax is something like that. Okay, so we'll go through some examples of what? Example of default constructor. Default constructors. Example of default constructors. Okay, so we have any class. We have any class called student. Okay, and then I have a data members like x comma y. So these are what? These are my data members. Okay, these are my data members. Okay, so now I'm going to use the specifier. Okay, so constructor is a what? Constructor is a special member function. See, it is a member function but special. So whatever the name of the class, the same name of the member function. That's why it is known as a special member function. And it has no return types, and no parameters. Constructor has no return types. The constructor which has no parameters, no argument, so it is known as what? Default constructors. It is known as what? Default constructors. Okay. So we have two data members. By default, I'm assigning some value. X is equal to something, y is equal to some values. So this is called default values. Okay. And then, so just I'm declaring one normal member function for y display. Okay. You want to perform the sum of two numbers or display the numbers. Okay, we can do. Okay. Just int z is equal to x plus y. Then it is going to return the value. Just cout of z. Okay. Then we have to close our class. Once we close the class, so now we have to write what? Main functions int main. So first we have to create the object. So when the constructor is called, when we are creating the object of any class, so just I am creating the object st. This time constructor is called. Okay. So st dot. Which are the member functions we have? We have display. So display is my member function. I am calling the member function. Then it is going to return the values. Okay. The purpose of data members, the purpose of constructor is what? To initialize the value of data members. So just we are initializing the value of x is just to some values like 10, 20, 100, whatever. Y is equal to some random values. Okay. So just I am calculating the sum of two numbers and storing the variables. Okay. So in this way we can use the concept of constructors. Do you have any problem? Just comment the message. Okay. and please subscribe my channel. Channel name is S and S Lab. Thank you so much.